Now let's talk about security identifier or SID. The SID value of an object is unique within its domain. When an object is migrated to another domain, a new SID is generated and assigned to the object. The old SID value is saved in the SID history attribute of the object. So in this example, the user object is in itlifeskills.local. When it is migrated to ncsa.itlifeskills.local domain, a new SID is generated and assigned to the object, and the old SID is saved in the SID history of the object. Let's analyze a practical example with security identifier. In this example, this user has been granted the full access to the scripts folder, and behind the scene, the access list of the operating system uses the SID of the user to grant the access. So it uses the SID instead of the name. After the user is moved to another domain, it gets a new SID. Now, when the user is trying to access, the access list finds the SID different. The access list then checks the SID history and finds it match. The access is granted. That is the reason why it is not required to re-grant the access to the folder if the account is migrated properly with the right tool, such as ADMT, because ADMT will save the old SID to the SID history attribute of the user account.